Grundschule Richterswil is a primary school in a small town of Richterswil near Zurich. The school aims to accompany and support the children on their way of becoming independent personalities, and thus to optimally prepare them for the demands of the future professional and social life. With such a magnificent vision and mission goes a school building that is just as progressive, innovative, and considerate. With the renovation and construction of the 2 upper floors in the school building, the question rose to find a solution to clad the façade with louvres to make it an aesthetically pleasing look. The Louvre Wall DucoWall Screening, a sturdy aluminium Louvre wall system from the company DUCO Ventilation and Sun Control, was chosen to meet this need in a sustainable and ecological manner. All 4 façades of the building were covered with the DucoWall Screening 70 louvres quickly and economically. In addition to the practical feature of the louvres, their playful character makes them a perfect fit in a school environment. Also, the contrast in colours between the cladded façade of the 2 upper floors and the lower, bare part of the façade adds to the architectural, sleek and contemporary look of the school building. Honestly, what could be more heartwarming than welcoming young children into a pleasant, inspiring environment to prepare them for a bright, creative future?